traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, August 21st, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian, and we are on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, we're actually sitting right in between two Fibonacci levels right now. I have my Fibonacci retracement on the last impulsive move down on the daily, which means that it's very likely it's not just going to reverse to the downside. It's very likely that it will at least go up to the 78%. Now, that doesn't mean it might not possibly go down a little. It just means that if it does go down, it likely is a pullback within an uptrend. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, it doesn't mean that it potentially may not go down. And maybe it will, maybe it won't. I mean, it could just make a higher low and keep going up. I would like to see this as like a wave A. I would like to see this as like a wave B, and I would like to see it to go down like this for a wave C, because at the end of that wave C would make for a very nice long opportunity if that's how it plays out. So I'm hoping to see something like this. But either way, I personally am not looking for any shorts. I'm only looking for longs because that's what the higher time frames are telling me to do. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.